4-H engages our youth in leadership and life skills. There are over 220 projects that a 4-H youth can engage in. Come learn some of their stories on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Well, the technical definition of 4-H is it's a youth development organization, but it's a thing you do with your friends. It's a thing that you do to help other people. It's a great thing to do. There's lots to be involved in, and there's lots that can be done.
I've made so many friends throughout my time in 4-H that I know are going to be lifelong friends. Having met such amazing people is probably one of my favorite parts of 4-H.
We have the Ohio Family Guide, and you can go through and read every single project. There's tons of projects. There's one for everybody. It's really just your guide to everything.
I actually first got involved in 4-H when I was probably about 12 years old. We saw a float at our local 4th of July parade, and I saw all of these different projects. It was archery, baking, all kinds of different things I was interested in. So I decided to check it out. I found a club, and then I got started with 4-H that year.
I always grew up watching my sister be involved in 4-H, so it was really something that I've always been a part of. I've enjoyed every second of it. It's been very worth it for me. Showing poultry was my first project. Me and my sister both did it until she graduated, and I'm still doing it. I've done the Grill Master project, I've done the Make Over Your Space project, I think Snack Attack, and I'm really involved with Camp Counselor and Junior Fair Board in my county.
I'm really involved in 4-H. I do a little bit of everything. I've done projects ranging from shooting sports, STEM projects, healthy living, sewing, and pretty much everything in between. I'm also really involved in my county's 4-H with Junior Fair Board, County TLC, Fashion Board, Camp Counselor. I was even royalty a couple years ago. County Fair royalty is probably one of my favorite parts of 4-H. I was the Franklin County Fair Princess in 2021, and I had the opportunity to speak to a lot of different people and go and visit other county fairs and just represent our county throughout the state.
I'm a camp counselor at the Lincoln County 4-H camp and a Junior Fair Board member for the Hartford Independent Fair. Being a camp counselor, I just want to make sure that kids have the same experience that I had, because it was really great for me, and I want them to be able to get as involved in 4-H and have as much fun with it as I've had.
So we have so many projects that are offered, and if there's not a project that's offered, we have self-determined projects. So you can pretty much do a project on anything that you're interested in. So it really makes sure that everybody in 4-H has a project that they can do. I think people should join 4-H because it has so many leadership opportunities, and you just learn so much through it, and everybody's just so nice and welcoming everyone. One of the things that I think is most important about 4-H is just meeting new people and gaining the new experiences, because there's so many things that I never thought I would have done that I've gotten to do through 4-H. Last year I got to talk to the Columbus Dispatch. They did a thing and we got to do that. I've gotten to help with all of our stuff for state TLC, talking at the conference. So there's been a lot of leadership opportunities that I never thought I'd have.
It teaches you how to be a leader, how to communicate, how just all sorts of different aspects that would be great for having a job and moving on in the world. I want to grow my involvement in 4-H, so being a leader is really important to me. Like I said, making sure people get that great experience and that great takeaway from 4-H that so many teens have had. I really just want to be involved, and I want to have fun with it. There's a lot of experiences to be had, and there's a lot of opportunities that need to be taken advantage of. So I think it's a great thing to get involved in.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.